Hi everybody, I am back just in time for the holidays because I want to show you my top tips and tricks when it comes to applying a bright, bold holiday lip. Now, not everyone's comfortable in a red, but you can still apply any of the following tips and tricks to any of your lips. Now, this is perfect for those who find their lip color feathers, it doesn't last as long, and for those people who just really want a nice sharp shape when it comes to their lip looks. Keep on watching if you want to know my top lip tricks for this holiday season. And make sure to like and subscribe if you want more videos like these. So we're going to start with MAC Prep and Prime Lip. A lot of you know this product. It is the perfect product to keep moisture in while creating a smooth, soft surface, as well as a grippy surface for all of your lip products to stay on without feathering. Number 2 is going to be a lip pencil. Do not skip your lip pencil step. A, make sure it's really sharp so you can create a really nice edge. And B, start at your Cupid's bow, which is what I'm doing here. The reason why I like to start here is it already creates a super defined shape, and all you did was created a V on the top of your lip. Besides that, just take the top points of your V and connect them down to the side. Note that I am anchoring my hand with my pinky finger. I do this to support my hand to make sure my hand isn't too shaky, but you can also do this by either holding that arm with your other hand or by just simply placing your elbow on the table in front of you. If you make any mistakes like that, don't worry, wipe it away, or wait until my last tip. I promise it's a big one. When it comes to the lower lip, again, start in the middle. You want to keep everything super symmetrical, and it's an easy fix once you do the middle. And then just simply move to the outer corners, like connect the dots. Make sure to really get the inner corners though, because when you talk or you eat or drink, that's the first place your lipstick will wear, and you want to make sure you have a uniform color. The other tip I have is to turn your head from side to side, up and down. The reason why I do this is it shows you that you can take a peek at your lip from different angles, and you can tell what side needs a little bit more work and what side doesn't. Now, every type of red lip is going to have some smudges, like it or not, but I'm going to show you again my last tip, how you can tweak it. It's time for lipstick. Here I'm using MAC Red, obviously, but it's a beautiful cherry red, and there's nothing crazy about the application. I just apply it to wherever I don't have any color. The only tip I have here is to flip your lipstick upside down so you actually get the tip of the lipstick towards you. This just is a bit more precise when it comes to blending lipstick onto the pencil. Now my last tip, concealer. If you haven't been doing this, you must. Take a flat brush, apply a little bit of concealer on the outer edge of the mouth. The reason why you do this is it acts like the perfect eraser, and it gets rid of any unwanted product, but sharpens up all of your edges to create the perfect dramatic lip. The one major thing I will say to do is make sure to blend out your concealer. At this point, your full face is done, so when you put concealer on top, you may get a white cast without blending it in. This is the finished look. I applied my full face of makeup with some shimmery shadow to get in the holiday mood. It would look kind of awkward without any other face makeup, but I hope you guys enjoyed all the little tips and tricks that I provided here for you. If you have any other questions on things that I didn't mention here or didn't show, please comment below. If you did try some of these tricks, make sure to tag me in your photos at Megan Morrison Makeup. That's on Instagram and on Facebook. But until next time, make sure to like, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on all of my other socials. Happy holidays!